How to send PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp. Now I'll be showing you through the laptop or the PC. You can do it on your Windows here. Now the first thing what you need to do is you'll have to download WhatsApp on your laptop. You can download it from your Microsoft Store. You can search in for Microsoft Store from start bar and download WhatsApp there. Once you download WhatsApp, open it up and link your account in. I'll just open up WhatsApp here. You can see I've opened up. Now head into the chat that you want to send the PowerPoint presentation to. I'll just head into this chat here. Now you can see I've already sent 2 files here, but I'll be showing you again here. What you need to do is once you open WhatsApp, now make sure you have downloaded first the PowerPoint presentation to the laptop here. Now if I head into my files here, you can see I've downloaded the sample PPTX here, sample PowerPoint presentation file. What you need to do is download it to your device, save it to your laptop or your PC, and then what you need to do is on WhatsApp, simply click on this. Once you open up WhatsApp here, you can see the insert file option icon at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on it and then click on the document option. You'll have to click on the document option and this will load up here at the top of your screen, and then head into the folder where your PowerPoint presentation is saved or you downloaded it. Now in my case it's in downloads here, and you can see here at the very top this is the sample PPTX. Then what you need to do is simply select it and simply click on open, and it will load up here down below. You can see 1.3 MB PowerPoint presentation file here. Now next thing what you need to do is simply, if you want, you can add in message here. You can see text, but it's optional, and then simply click on the send icon here. Simply click on send and it will be sent. So this way you can send PowerPoint presentation file on your WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.